Hi everyone. Uh, Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how I took a trade this morning on BTC, Sunday morning on BTC, and it went all the way to take profit. So I'm gonna show you step by step how I took the trade, where I took the trade, where was my stop loss, and what I saw. And I'll show you how I analyzed it from the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment. And yeah, man, let's jump into it right away. As you guys can see now, we on 4-hour time frame. So what I saw is that the market gave us what? The market gave us a correction, and then it impulsed, and then it corrected sideways, and then it went down. As soon as I saw this pattern, this is a reversal pattern. I saw that is a first touch, second touch, third touch, and then this is a reversal pattern. I knew that at some point we're going down, and as you can see that it also gave us what? It also gave us a double top here, signaling that we're going down. You understand? So after I saw this, I knew that the market might come to this high to retest these highs. So I put the ray line there, and then this is removed. And as you know, I trade impulse correction. The first thing that I did this, and I cloned. And then at some point I thought that the market will come up here, give me a test, come back for what? For a first touch, second touch, third touch, and move up. But I had to do what? I had to go on smaller time frame. So I had a trend line like this again. I had a trend line like this exactly here. I think I had a trend line like this. Yeah, I had a trend line like this, and then I had this low as my point of interest, right? And then on smaller time frames, like on 30 minutes, I think the market was something here. Mm, Let me just find where the market was. I think the market was something here, right? On smaller time frame. Yeah, this is where the market was. And then I saw this. I saw this supply zone, and I saw that there's imbalancement here. So with me expecting the market to come test this trend line, I knew that I can take sales and move all the way down. So what I did is I took an entry here. I took an entry somewhere here, and my take profit was here on this low. Because of I thought that the market will come and give us a 1, 2, 3 touch and then reverse to the top. You understand? So I always follow the market. I don't predict, right? And then what happened to the trade is that it played for a long time here. Right? But at the end, Okay, it came back. It came back here. By then, when it comes back here, my stop loss was on break even. My stop loss was on break even, and then again, I think it was on. Okay, it was on this candle. It was somewhere on this candle, and then my stop loss was somewhere here. I think my stop loss was somewhere here, just above the 50% area of this. It played along. It played for some time, but at the end, what it did is it went to hit my TP, as you can see, guys. So yeah, this is how I saw it, uh, and I know that I set up a TP on this low, but after I came, I saw that the market went all the way down, and now this is the current market. And the lesson is I should have targeted this, but this trend line made me target this, which is I don't even regret, which is I don't even regret. You see, I made my 4%. And yeah, I hope this video was valuable to you. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, guys. Hit the like button. And yeah, I'm out. Thank you for watching.